How to save time with fast fixation. Compared to conventional shell rail brackets, the new fast fixation saves you time during installation. All you need is one screw in the center of the bracket and, accordingly, just one drill hole. The new screw is nickel-plated and 20 mm longer. This ensures that the shell rail is fixed securely. If drill holes are already available, these can be reused. The fast fixation bracket offers additional holes for this purpose. These holes can also be used for additional support. However, the screws required for these are not included in delivery. That's how we save time with fast fixation. Done.